Students, it's your maths class 7. Today inshallah we will start exercise 7c. In the previous video we done exercise 6b. Now the first question number 1 is Mr. and Mrs. Javed have property worth 2,50,000 rupees and Mrs. Javed jewelry is worth 1,80,000 rupees. Find the amount of zakat that they have to pay. Okay, it's a first question. Property worth is given, then jewelry worth is given. Okay, first we add them. After add 4,30,000, it's a total amount. Okay, after add 4,30,000, it's a total amount. Rate of zakat is given. The rate of zakat is fixed in Islam, or all Muslims have to pay zakat after a year. After a whole year, 5/2 or 2 whole number 1/2, it's a rate of zakat in Islam. The rate of zakat is fixed, 2 rupees 50 paisa. Okay. So the formula of zakat is equal to rate multiplied by total amount upon 100. In this part we find the amount of zakat. So according to the formula, rate 5/2 multiplied by total amount upon 100. 2 0 cut with 2 0, then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 is left, 2 5s are 10. This to 0 as it is go up. After reduce 2,150 multiplied by 5, it's a rough work. After multiply by 5, 10,750 answer. So this amount would be the zakat amount. So Mr. and Mrs. have to pay, Mr. and Mrs. Javed have to pay 10,750 rupees as zakat on 4,30,000. 4,30,000, it's a total amount. On this amount they have to pay 10,750 rupees. Okay. Question number 2. Salim pays to 20,500 rupees as zakat. It means in this part zakat is paid. Okay, find his annual saving. So we will find the annual saving. Okay, just girls compare the question number 1 and 2. In the first part, in the first question, Mr. and Mrs. Javed, in that question we will find the amount of zakat. Already total amount or total saving is given. In that question we apply the simple formula, zakat formula, 5/2%. But in this part zakat is paid, so we reciprocal the formula of zakat. Okay, according to the formula question, zakat amount is given 20,500 rupees. Okay, zakat is paid, amount is given. Rate of zakat simple, 2 whole number 1/2. So 2 to the 4, 1 5, 5/2%. Annual saving is not given, so we will find the annual saving. That's why we put the question mark. Formula of zakat, formula of amount. Okay, in this part we find the amount. So formula of amount is equal to zakat multiply by rate, zakat, paid zakat amount. Okay, we write over here rate multiply by 100. In formula of zakat we use like 5/2 multiply by 100. Okay, we use this formula when we find the zakat. Okay, annual saving is given in the question, we find the zakat, so we apply this formula. But in this part, in this question, zakat is paid, so we reciprocal this part. Okay, formula we reciprocal 5/2 So we write 2/5 like this. Or 100, it's a percent. Only this part we reciprocally 2/5 or sign of percent convert into 100. In that part, in the formula, we write in the denominator part, but we reciprocal it. So this 100 we write in numerator place. So simple formula, we reciprocal it. Okay. When we find the saving amount or paid zakat amount is given in the question, so simple we reciprocal the formula of zakat. Okay. So formula, zakat paid amount multiply by rate multiply by 100. So according to the formula we put the values. Clear this step? It's a rough. We reciprocal the formula of zakat. 5 1s are 5, 5 4 2s are 10, 0. Then we multiply 2 0 0 2 2s are 4. Okay. 2 0 5 direct multiply. 2 0 0 2 2s are 4. 40 multiply by 2 0 5 0 0. Okay. It's that amount 0 3 0 direct multiply 1 2 3 3 0 copy down. 4 5s are 20, 0 5 0 0 2 as it is copy. 5 4 2s are 8. 8 unit 10 100 1000 10,000 100,000 8,20,000. It's a total amount of saving. Okay. Find his annual saving. So annual saving amount is 8,20,000 rupees. On this total amount, Salim have to pay 20,500 rupees. So find his annual saving. Annual saving, Salim's annual saving is 8,20,000 rupees. Done. Question number 2. The next part, question number 3 is Nawaz earned 22,000. Okay. 22,000 per month from his farm produce. Calculate his amount of ushr to pay. In this part, ushr amount is fixed 1/10. Sometimes it's half 1/20, but normally ushr amount is fixed 1/10. So ushri, according to the definition, girls, ushri is the land used for agriculture and ushr is the amount. Okay. Same like zakat on property tax, on total amount, total saving, we pay the zakat after a year. Same like this, ushr is the amount paid on the agriculture product of the land. So normally ushr rate is fixed 1/10, 1/10. Sometime it's depend on the case or depend on the product. It's half, like 1/20. So according to the question, per month earning is 22,000. Unit 10 100,000 22,000 rupees after a year. Okay. Farmer have paid to ushr amount. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 12 multiplied by 22,000 is equal to total earning 2,64,000 on this amount. On total amount 2,64,000 on this amount, we find the ushr amount. So the rate of ushr 1/10, 1/10. Ushr amount 1/10 multiplied by 2,64,000, 0 cut with 0. Now Unit 10, 100,000, 26,400 multiply by 1. So 26,400 rupees. It's a ushr amount. So Nawaz have to pay 26,400 rupees as ushr amount. Done. Question number 3.